How you doing? You said what? Hey yo. Hell yeah. Oh shit, she from the rack. You from the rack? How you doing? You said what?
Hi. What she be doing out of Louisiana?
She not from Louisiana. She from California.
No. You see?
No,
Yeah. It's real dirty over there. I know.
We can tell you from Philly.
That's why you laughing.
Yeah. That motherfucker like it was back.
Oh, yeah. That nigga keep it rid that motherfucking video.
You know what I'm saying? We lit.
I got my son Kimi with me right now, man. Yeah, I'm about to bring something new to the channel, bro. I ain't been on here in a minute, my fault, y'all. But we about to do monkey app, and I'm about to give him a cut at the same time. So it's double the entertainment, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'm about to give him a higher taper, and my son about to bag some hoes too. You feel me, man? If you listen, I'm gonna give it a challenge, bro. If he can get 3 hoes, I'm gonna send him $10. All right?
Say left.
Bet. Shake me up, shake me up.
About to run down, you know what I'm saying?
But yeah, either than that, man. Let's get to this video. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.
How you doing?
Yo, fuck up his hairline.
Damn, you want my shit to get fucked up though? Damn, we filming right now. What's good with you though?
Shut up this.
You said what? Oh, she got a blick. Oh, you trench.
You don't even told that for real.
She fake trench. Huh. How you doing?
You're okay.
You said what?
You getting a haircut?
Hell yeah. Hey yo.
You're okay for it?
Hell yeah. Hey yo.
Word.
Hey yo. Hey yo, you from?
Alabama.
Hey yo, you got a number? We doing a challenge right now. What's your number?
What's the challenge? Wait a minute. You want me to tell you or you want me to type it in?
Nah, tell me.
It's 256.
Okay.
Alright. 3, 2, 5, 1. Alright, I'm gonna hit you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one. That's one, nigga. That's one, nigga.
That nigga with TV that nigga trying to win this shit.
That's one.
I might got up the score, yo. I might get up the score, bro.
That's one, nigga.
She from the rack. You from the rack? How you doing?
I'm not from Iraq.
I said Chicago.
They say I'm from Chicago.
Yeah.
I'm from Baltimore.
Are you from Baltimore? Oh, you from Baltimore?
One more.
Oh, she lit.
Say two.
She lit. Yeah, say 2 or do. Hey yo. Alright, so we on YouTube filming right now. We doing a challenge. I gotta get your number though. You down for that?
Don't give me your number.
Yeah, let me get your number. It's a challenge. Let me get your number.
Don't give me your. He gonna scam you.
No, I ain't, bro. He
He
bugging.
gonna scam you.
This nigga.
Yo, it's money on. Oh, you
Gotcha, nigga.
Oh, you selling. Oh, let's go.
This nigga just
I
sold
ain't
me.
this shit gonna be easy, nigga.
Oh, this nigga just sold me. She said, hey yo.
You getting a haircut?
Hey yo, I bet we filming right now. We on YouTube, right? Alright, look. Yeah, so like yo. How old is y'all first of all?
I'm 18.
Y'all 18? Alright, bet. Alright, so I gotta get one of y'all numbers. Alright?
No, me give me a number.
We got
973.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
They're gonna hear me.
Nah, ain't not gonna hear. We gonna blur this out though.
Damn.
Where y'all from?
I'm from California. Where you from?
Damn, that's a long ass area code. We from New York.
Oh, I'm from. Shit, I'm like all the way out to you.
Type shit. You turning me? Trying to come see me already? That's how you act, you heard? That's how you act. She lit. She lit.
Why you hung up on her?
We on to the next. Leah. Yo, you from?
Florida.
Type shit. How old is you? Oh, she's fucking hit anyways, trying to do that. Yo, how old is you? Oh, hey, ugly as hell. I'm about to start cooking shit. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good. Not you getting a cut.
Type shit. We feel. Huh?
Hi.
You said what?
Hi.
Hey, yo, we filming right now. You heard?
I'm here.
We filming right now.
Yeah. Wait, cut.
We filming right now. Hey, yo.
Where's she from?
Hey, where you from?
Louisiana.
All right, type shit. How old are you? 18?
Yeah.
All right, so we doing a challenge. I gotta get your number. You down?
Okay.
What the?
What's your number?
Wait, time out.
Nah, nigga. Nah, nigga.
Wait, time out, bro. We just started this video, bro.
Nah, nigga. Nah, nigga. I'm my brother,
I
bro.
gotta up the score, bro.
Hey, yo.
Bro.
Hey, yo, what's your number?
I gotta up the score in this nigga, bro.
I'm gonna type it in over here.
She about to type it in the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Type shit.
Bro.
Alright, bet.
You gonna use that number, bro?
Hey, yo, bro, watch out, bro. Tighten up, bro. You know, come on,
If
bro.
you're not gonna use it, I'm here for it, you know? If you like that shit.
Oh, this nigga is funny.
Go for it.
Oh, y'all got a different, y'all got your code different, like a motherfucker. Type shit.
What's your area code?
585. Hell yeah, look that up when we hang up this call. Look up 585 area code. Alright? I bet. Nah, for real, you gotta look it up. Just look it up. See what pop up.
What should we doing out of Louisiana?
She not from Louisiana. She from California.
No. You see?
No,
Yeah.
Louisiana.
Yo! Yo!
I was not locked.
Me personally,
I was not locked there. Hold up.
I don't think that number is right.
I was not locked.
He didn't listen to what you said. That's
Yo, she didn't listen to what you said. This nigga said California.
Oh, what's this? How you doing?
I like your cat.
Thank you. Oh, that's what you trying to say. I look like? Oh.
Wait.
No, that's my baby.
Nah, nigga. Nah, nigga.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
What's up? Can I ask you a
Man, we
question?
alright, man.
What part of the Reese's you like?
For what?
The Reese's you like?
I like chocolate more. Why?
Oh, for real?
Oh, he's a hoe.
I'm right here. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My
bad. There's a light skin at my door.
Word.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
That's your nigga?
You know what I'm saying? Team light skin, you know what I'm
That's
saying?
crazy though.
We stumping on set, you know what I'm
Yeah, I
saying?
just riz your girl though, bro.
I can't hear y'all. Hold on.
I just riz
That's
your
not even
girl.
his girl, bro. I think it's his brother, bro.
That's your brother?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Oh, that nigga thought I was
I
your
thought that was your
He
nigga.
thought I was your nigga.
Oh, hell no.
Damn.
This nigga crazy. Selling already.
Word, do I get your gram though?
Of course.
Hold on. I think she wanna come over here though with it, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, nah. Type it in the chat though. I'm gonna screenshot it and add you back. Okay.
You don't want to be from here, Stretch.
I mean, you cool. Can I get it 360 real quick? I see what I'm looking at type shit.
You know what I'm saying? Hold on.
You streaming too?
You streaming?
Yeah. It's a lot going on back there type shit, you know. Yeah.
The only thing that
Yo, how y'all doing?
what are you doing?
So we over here getting a chop. We filming right now.
Yeah.
Actually, wait, how old are you?
I don't like
You said what?
like what YouTuber was.
Hell yeah, type shit.
You trying to subscribe?
Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe.
Alright, man, it's called EWALK, EWALK.
I'm gonna have to subscribe when I'm done.
You about to be in the vid, you heard?
Drop your wait, how old y'all is?
I'm 17.
Type shit.
I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail.
EWALK.
Yo, you went right here.
Hey,
Hey.
what's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing tonight? Good.
Got a question.
What's good, man?
How hard do you stand on business?
How hard I stand on business?
Yeah.
Come with me, Kimmy.
This nigga said come.
How hard you stand? See how hard you stand on business?
See this? That's business, and I stand on it.
This is how hard I stand on business. I'm gonna show you how hard I stand on business.
Money on my phone. I mean, I talk to them. Money on my phone.
I go next.
That's how hard I stand on. Let me see you stand on business. Let me see you stand on business.
I want to be a partner.
I ain't got no money, nigga.
Oh, you at right now?
Tennessee.
Yeah, this shit say Oak Ridge. You living in Oak Ridge right now?
You're only Tennessee.
I don't know where Oak Ridge is.
What? Back the fuck up. You better back the fuck up.
It's in Knoxville.
Wait, are you getting a tattoo? What are you getting? A fucking haircut?
Hell yeah, come your touch. Come your ass up. Touch us up.
You can't when that motherfucking strong. Drama.
I was just asking like a fucking question.
I know she trying to fight. She talk. You talk with your hands. Like I know she crazy. She talk with her hands.
Motherfucking sweaty as hell. That motherfucker oily as shit.
I'm not sweating. I'm just oily, baby.
I know oily.
That pussy oily too.
That ass oily.
My fuck. Wait.
You're a wild one. You're a wild one.
You got.
I couldn't see it already. Are you in a basement light? Or a fucking ring light?
Word.
Construction light?
Word though. We just starting off, man.
Just out here.
You feel me? We out here. We hustling.
Hey, yo, man, we turn, man. Turn, man. We don't want you stuck on, man.
Let me see.
Real money out too.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see
What's funny about that?
It's real dirty over there. I
We
know.
can tell you from Philly.
That's why you laughing.
We don't live in.
We don't. See, do your homework on. You ain't actually.
We don't
part of
live-
New York. We was from.
Stop riding that dick, nigga. Stop riding that dick.
Damn, what the fuck you
Damn.
doing? You probably such a shot.
Don't fuck. Motherfucker crazy.
Eat the dick.
You give us a. Yeah.
I'm about to come to Philly. I said your city dirty. I ain't say you was dirty, but is you?
No.
Oh. You the one that said it. You the one that said it. Them big ass lips. Ooh. Damn. Eat the dick. Huh? I can't stop looking at them motherfuckers poking. Yeah. Oh. Stand up. Right now. You get 360.
Is he rizzing right now?
That motherfucker like it was back.
Oh, that nigga keep it that motherfucking dog.
He's the wrestler.
What the hell?
Oh, what the hell?
You old chicken nugget head ass motherfucker. What? Give me your little ugly ass. Oh, your pickle chin head ass.
You
I'm about to
having ass.
I'm getting your Dorito biscuit head ass. Cornbread. Yo,
Hell nah.
yo, make real head ass. I'm about to get on your ass, boy. Make nugget head ass, boy. Make chicken with cheese head ass, boy. Cornmeal head ass, boy. Egg McMuffin head ass, boy.
Big nostrils having ass.
Wait, what?
What?
Hey, tighten up with your kneecap head ass. Somebody get on your ass. Thought it was over. Boy, I'm on your ass, boy. You look ugly ass. What you talking about, boy? Somebody get in your football field head ass. Long ass nose. Big shotgun bill.
Shotgun bitter ass nose. What talking about? Elephant ass
Pistol grip
nose.
head ass.
What talking about? Head ass, boy. Wait, open your nostrils, head ass, boy.
Big sardines head ass.
Big ass booger in your nose, head ass, boy.
Steak sauce head ass. Boy, I might get in your
What
long
you talking about?
Philly cheesesteak
What you
head
talking
ass,
about?
boy.
Ice Cube having that boy. Cat Williams having that boy.
You on quesadilla head ass. Somebody get on your motherfucking neck.
Lil Kim having that boy. Boy.
Oh.
Fuck! Damn, nigga! Fuck! Bye, bro. Bye, bro. Bye, bro.
Oh,
Damn!
She said so I can make good
Lexo on the beat.
Wow. But yeah though, man. My son did beat the challenge, y'all. So I guess I do have to, you feel me? Send him that 10, bruh. So whatever you owe me, bro.
That's me.
You feel me? Just don't owe me, I guess.
She want me to leave her, but I do better by myself. Touch they so they gave me the key.
Used to make money on visas, rockin' Balenciagas mixed with Adidas. I made a wave, told them follow the leader. Think you important, but I do not need you. GMG boy with a new age.